Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. In today's video, I have the pleasure of trying out these DLY gardening gloves. As this is my first time using these gloves, I will be giving my honest opinion on what I think about them. We'll be looking at the design, fit, durability, protection, quality, as well as functionality of these gloves. Who's in need of a new pair of gardening gloves this season? I knew this package was on the way, so when it arrived, I was really excited to take a look inside. It's like Christmas in March. I love opening packages and receiving gifts. The company sent out 3 pair of gloves in 3 different designs. How cool. I haven't even opened up the packaging yet, but already I can see that I'm loving these floral design options. I love the blue background on this one. It has sunflowers and butterflies. Really pretty. I love the fabric and leather. It's giving high quality. It's giving I'm rich. I love the beautiful pattern design. Very eye-catching, and I think they make gardening fun. Very stylish gloves for outdoor gardening or yard work. The fit is amazing. I'm wearing a size medium. I feel like they were made just for my hands. They have a nice snug fit, but not too tight, not uncomfortable at all. I'm loving the fit. I also had a nice firm grip when pulling out those weeds. It also felt very comfortable, and I was confident about dumping those leaves into the raised bed. Not only do I like the snug fit, I also love the fact that these gloves are made for women. They're made from 100% high quality cowhide. They're made from heavy duty materials to get the job done. The gloves are adjustable. Even has the touchscreen fingertips design. And it does work. I didn't have to take off my gloves to answer my cell phone. These gloves are getting pretty dirty out here. I wanted to test them out to see what they can do. I'm putting them through the ringer. Let's put these gloves to the test by seeing if they will protect my hands and arms from cuts and scratches. Rose thorns can be brutal. The palms have foam pads to ensure abrasion resistance and grip. There's finger and knuckle reinforcement protection as well. Okay, they passed the test. They're also made of breathable and sweat-absorbent canvas material. My hands don't feel hot or sweaty. I can honestly say that I like these gloves. I'm able to perform all of my gardening chores and duties with ease. They're comfortable, they feel great. My hands and arms are well protected. They're not giving off some homely look. They're really stylish, and I love them. These gloves would make a great gift for the woman in your life, the woman gardener in your life. Mother's Day is coming up. This would make the perfect Mother's Day gift. They're available in 6 amazing colors. DLY is giving ELOC Nation a 10% discount. If you're interested, you can find all of the information in the description of this video. The code is ELOC22. As far as durability goes, I will keep you posted. Just know that I will keep testing these gloves and pushing them to the limit. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.